Today, the focus of my presentation is Evolution of Higher Learning and Research in Post-Independence India. Dear viewer, please watch the entire video. At the end of the video, there are MCQs based on the presentation. Let us try to understand the evolution of higher learning and research in post-independence India. After gaining independence from British colonial rule in 1947, India embarked on a journey of transformation in higher learning and research, with several notable developments and achievements. 1. Expansion of higher education, establishment of new universities and colleges across the country. Focus on providing education to a wider population. Introduction of reservation policies to promote access for marginalized communities. Example, the establishment of the Indian Institutes of Technology, IITs, in the 1950s and the Indian Institutes of Management, IIMs, in the 1960s marked a significant expansion in higher education. IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, and IIM Ahmedabad are prominent institutions known for their academic excellence. 2. Scientific research and innovation. Establishment of premier research institutions like the Indian Institutes of Technology, IITs, and Indian Institutes of Management, IIMs. Growth in scientific research in fields such as space, nuclear, and information technology. Emergence of India as a hub for software and IT services. Example, the successful launch of Aryabhat, India's first satellite, in 1975 marked a significant milestone in space research and established the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, as a global player in space exploration. 3. Promoting traditional knowledge. Efforts to revive and preserve traditional knowledge systems. Promotion of Ayurveda, yoga, and other indigenous practices. Establishment of institutions like the National Institute of Ayurveda. Example, the establishment of the National Institute of Ayurveda in Jaipur in 1976 aimed at promoting and preserving traditional Indian medical knowledge. It offers degree programs in Ayurveda and conducts research in traditional healing methods. 4. International collaboration. Collaboration with foreign universities and research organizations. Exchange programs for students and faculty. Participation in global research projects. Example, collaborations with institutions like NASA, CERN, and the European Space Agency have enabled Indian scientists to participate in international research projects, such as the Mars Orbiter mission, Mangalyaan, and experiments at the Large Hadron Collider. 5. Challenges and reforms. Quality of education and research infrastructure. Need for greater investment in research and development. Reforms in the higher education system, including the New Education Policy, NEP, 2020. Example, the New Education Policy, NEP, 2020 represents a comprehensive reform effort aimed at modernizing India's education system. It emphasizes interdisciplinary studies, skill development, and flexibility in choosing subjects. 6. Rise of online learning. Emergence of online courses and digital platforms for education. Accessibility to quality education for remote and underserved areas. COVID-19 pandemic accelerating the adoption of online learning. Example, during the COVID-19 pandemic, institutions like the National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning, NPTEL, provided free online courses in engineering, sciences, and humanities, making quality education accessible to a wider audience. 7. Global recognition. Indian universities and research institutions gaining international recognition. Indian scholars contributing to global research and academia. Improved rankings in global university assessments. Example, Indian institutions like the Indian Institute of Science, IIAC, and Indian Institutes of Technology, IITs, have consistently improved their rankings in global university assessments, gaining recognition for their research contributions and academic excellence. Dear viewer, let us solve some important multiple choice questions from the presentation. Question 1 is, what was the primary focus of the expansion of higher education in post-independence India? A. Exclusive education for urban elites. B. Access for marginalized communities. C. Promoting vocational training. D. Reducing the number of universities. Correct answer is B. Access for marginalized communities. Question 2 is, which sector saw significant growth in scientific research and innovation post-independence? A. Healthcare. B. Agriculture. C. Information technology. D. Arts and humanities. Correct answer is C. Information technology. Question 3 is, which policy has aimed at promoting traditional knowledge systems in India? A. National Education Policy, NEP, 2020b. National Health Policy. C. Foreign Direct Investment Policy. D. National Defense Policy. Correct answer is A. National Education Policy, NEP, 2020. Question 4 is, what has been a key challenge in the evolution of higher learning and research in India? A. Lack of government support. B. Limited international collaboration. C. Quality of education and research infrastructure. D. Overemphasis on traditional education. Correct answer is C. Quality of education and research infrastructure. Question 5 is, which event accelerated the adoption of online learning in India? A. Launch of 4G mobile networks. B. Introduction of smartphones circa COVID-19 pandemic. D. NEP 2020 implementation. Correct answer is circa COVID-19 pandemic. Question 6 says, what has led to the global recognition of Indian universities and research institutions? A. Decreased focus on international collaborations. B. Improved rankings in global assessments. C. Reduced investment in research and development. D. Emphasis on traditional education methods. Correct answer is B. Improved rankings in global assessments. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education, at Shouking Bilal.